In the last 10, 11 years, Chairman, sir, India is fast assuming increasingly a global role for herself. India is no longer following others like it happened earlier. Now, for that, obviously, some of the adjustments, modifications needed to be made in the existing position of law. As I said, there were two main acts. One was the Atomic Energy Act of 1962, the other was the CLND of 2010. In between, the Atomic Regulatory Board also was established. Now, instead of undoing all the three or coming up with a new version of each one of three, what was considered prudent was to revisit all the three and to come out with a larger comprehensive bill, which we have tried to do, which is namely this bill, which is also now being called Shanti Bill as an acronym, and also lives up to the spirit of the peaceful purposes, because this government has hugely diversified, as it was being mentioned in the earlier question also, for cancer care, for nuclear medicine. And in this bill, we also tend to open it up for research at the other sectors, as far as the private players are concerned. And also, the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, which was a regulatory board, but which has been brought in later on, somewhere in 1980s, early 1980s, by a executive order, is also now being made part of the Act and being given a statutory status.
Sir, this bill brings neither Shanti nor security. It brings Ashanti, it brings Bipod, it brings Khatra, it brings grave danger. This bill brings danger disguised as development, cronyism disguised as reform, surrender disguised as strategy. This bill is not just flawed. This bill is fundamentally dangerous, sir. Let me be clear. We are not debating whether India should pursue nuclear energy. As the honourable member before me said, India has always pursued nuclear energy responsibly for decades. India has always been a responsible nuclear state. But as a country, are we now prepared to abdicate our sovereign responsibility, gamble with public safety, and place one of the most sensitive sectors of the nation at the mercy of crony capitalism and government-friendly oligarchs, as well as foreign pressure? Sir, this bill is not reform. It is recklessness. This bill is not for the public. It's for profit. This bill is not about sovereignty. It's about surrender.
I move that the bill be passed. The bill sustainable and advancement of nuclear energy to transform India 2025 be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is passed.